Yo, what up YouTube? Thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is Kevin Pack. I'm a 6-figure Amazon seller and I'm here to help you with your Amazon business. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to get more reviews for your product. Of course, this is an up-to-date Amazon channel, so I'm gonna be showing you guys my sales so far. So it's currently about almost 9:30 in the morning. So right here, boom. There you go. 3 units so far this morning, and we've got $15,000 in the past 30 days. $15,000. So let's get straight into it. Why are reviews so important for Amazon products and selling on Amazon? Well, reviews are basically social proof of your product to show that your product is actually good and worth buying. If you have a 2-star product versus somebody who has a 5-star product, people are gonna buy the 5-star product because they don't trust the 2-star shitty product. That's the truth of it. That's the way it is. So it's key that we present ourselves in the best way possible with 5 stars, or at bare minimum 4 stars, bare minimum, but preferably 5 stars, to put us up there with our top competitors and show people that we are worth buying and we are a reliable product and company to buy from. Trust me, this stuff makes a difference because I had a product that was doing really well when it had 5 stars, and it was really a bad product that I didn't get inspected, and it dropped down to 3 stars, and it was really hard to make sales. Yeah, I went from 30 sales a day to 1 or 2 a day. You know how much that broke my heart, bro? Oh my god, I was shattered because I was like, yo, I got it. You know, I found a winning product, and then just went to shit. So to maintain good reviews and everything is very important, but that all starts with obviously having a good product and getting it inspected and making sure it's all good in the hood, and making sure you smash the like button in this video. So once you've already established that the product is good and it's high quality and everything, now we have to get those reviews. So initially, starting when you launch your product, what we're going to start off with is asking friends and families for at least 5 to 10 reviews. I know it's kind of a weird thing to ask, but you have to find those friends and families that will be willing to leave you a review just for those first 5 or 10, okay? Preferably 10, that way it looks a little bit more legit. But afterwards, once we have our reviews, now we're going to be setting in stone the foundation and using software programs like Feedbackwaves that are going to help us gain more reviews as we get more sales. And on top of that, adding insert cards to your product. So let's go over insert cards first. So insert cards are these little cards that you insert into your product that you're gonna give to your manufacturer. You're gonna let your manufacturer print this, put it in every single unit and box of your product, and then that's gonna be shipped out to Amazon. But this way, the customer opens up your product, they go through it, they're looking for some kind of paper that's going to be giving them any kind of instruction or anything like that, or maybe they'll expect a discount code, or they think they might find one. You never know, but they'll be looking through your product and also looking through the pieces of paper. And when they see the piece of paper, they're going to see your thank you card of basically saying thank you for using our product. If you could leave us an honest review, that would be great. And if they end up liking your product, they're more likely to see that, think it's a little bit more high quality, really personal as well, and then they are likely to leave you a review. Definitely a game changer, helps a lot. Here's another important key: whether you're using insert cards or an email campaign or both, you need to make sure that you're very clear that you're asking to leave an honest review and not manipulating them to leave a positive review or to contact you before leaving a negative review, or you're bribing them with a discount. You cannot do these things. You cannot add these things to your insert card or your email campaigns. Amazon is very strict on manipulation of reviews because a lot of people try to manipulate and fake the reviews so that they look more legitimate. And so to prevent that, you have to make sure you never ask for a positive review, never ask for a 5-star review, never ask them to contact you before leaving a negative review. Just tell them if you ever have any problems, contact you. And that if you could leave an honest review, that would be great. That's it. Keep it simple. That's it. Okay. So that's the insert card. Make it nice, make it pretty, fluff it up a little bit. The next thing we're going to talk about is Feedbackwaves. Okay, so Feedbackwaves is a great email campaign system that allows you to send out emails every time somebody buys your product. They'll send out one automatic email that you can create yourself with a custom template and all that good stuff. And then you can also have an email setup campaign where if they return your product, then you can email them too, and then see what their problem is and see if they can actually reach out to you to solve that problem as well. So Feedbackwaves is a great system that's going to help you contact your customers and directly ask them for a review. So you have the insert card and then the email campaign that's going to help you. Now with the email campaign, same thing applies as far as what you're going to be asking them. Honest review, and if you have any problems, contact you. But only send out one email. That's it. You don't need to send them a order number or a shipment number. You don't need to send them more than one email request for a review. Just one. That's it. You don't need to send any other thank yous or anything like that. Nothing. You only need one email campaign set up, and that's asking for a review maybe a few days after they receive the product. And the only other email you're gonna add to that is when people return your product. So that's it. So one for after they buy and one if they return your product. That's it. If you add any more than that, Amazon could flag you and they can count you as spam. They'll shut down your email campaigns or even your account because you're spamming your customers, and they don't want that. So Amazon's kind of strict on that, so make sure you're only sending one email campaign. That's it. That's all you need. And we'll be going on here to show you guys how to do it. So let's hop in the computer. Let's check out Feedbackwaves. Let's do this. Here we are on Feedbackwaves right now, and this is kind of the main page. So I'll have the link of Feedbackwaves in the description below. You guys can sign up. It's a great service, definitely worth it. I think it's like 20 or 30 bucks a month or something like that, but super worth it. So this is the main dashboard right here. You'll see that they'll give you the total number of orders and emails, my sales, how many reviews I've been getting. So what we're gonna do is once you've signed up and then you've linked your Amazon account to it, we're gonna set up email campaigns, all right? First, start off with the template manager. And from here, you see I have two different email campaigns that I'm using. One is the first one to see if they receive the product properly and if they can leave a review. And the second one is if they return the product, is there anything we can do to help them, okay? So what you want to do is create a new email template, but you can start off with loading a template first. So load up a template. All of the pre-built templates that Feedbackwaves already has is already like Amazon terms of service cleared. Like it's good to go. Like whatever you use from them is gonna be totally safe and usable. So, but I only recommend using one of them. So the one we're gonna use is the review request with animated GIFs. All right, GIFs are strong and they make me laugh. I think it's a good option right here. So you see here, hi there, Penguin. I noticed your order was delivered recently. Hopefully you had an opportunity to evaluate the purchase of your whatever your product is. I'm just giving you an example. I would really appreciate it if you could share your experience by leaving us a product review. Boom, boom, boom. And there's a dog, high five, cat, thank you, kind regards, whatever. Super simple, very clean, and it is not against terms of service. Very good. GIFs are a great way to connect with your customers and kind of gives you a way to be a little bit more creative and brighten their day a little bit. So you can add your own custom GIFs on here, and then you can copy and paste it onto your template. So you can load that. We can say we want to load this template right here. Boom. And so you see the GIFs that are working right here. So they got the loaded template right here. So you see what you're typing, and then it shows off to the right here. So if you want to add a GIF to it, all you would have to do is go to giphy.com, and let's say you want to use this guy right here. All right, so you're gonna copy the image right here, boom. Let's say we want to put it right here, paste, and right there, boom. Just comes up right next to it. Super easy, super clean. Change the name of whatever you want. You can edit it as what you want, but just follow the right guidelines of making sure that you ask for an honest review and you don't manipulate them or give them any discounts to leave a review. And then also you don't ask them to contact you before leaving a negative review. So those are some rules that you want to stay and abide by. Now, once you've already created your templates, you're gonna go to your campaign manager and then create a new email campaign, and then you're going to name your campaign, and then you're gonna pick the template that you just used, that you just created. From there, now you can manage when this email is gonna be sent. So the target orders are going to be for all orders that are shipped. It's going to be through FBA, FBM. Now, when the emails going to be sent, they're going to be sent daily at 7 a.m. one day after the order is shipped. You can change it if you want to do it by it's delivered or when it's returned. I like to put it at delivered after. So if I'm asking for a review, I'm going to wait for the package to be delivered, and I'm gonna wait. I usually like to put 2 days after it's been delivered, so they kind of get a feel of it after 1 day. And some people don't actually get the mail like immediately, so people don't open their packages the day it's opened all the time because they're not home. So I like to wait 2 or 3 days afterwards. Once you do order matching rules, this is just going to be for you to select it for all ASINs, because the custom template is going to be used for all your products. So the name of your product in the email is going to be replaced depending on what the product is. So if you have 2 different products, the email is going to work for both of them, and it's going to say product A and then product B when people buy either or. So that's the cool thing about it. You don't have to keep making a new campaign every time you have a product. It just universally uses for all of it and just replaces the name in the ASIN. That's really it. So that's all you have to work on, is the name, pick the template, and then schedule it, and then hit review and save. Easy, just like that, done. So Feedbackwaves is the easy way to grab those reviews and get those reviews going. So I really recommend it. I highly recommend it. It's just a super easy software to use, and it's gonna help you get more reviews. You can definitely end up getting 5 reviews a month, 10 reviews a month, depending on your volume of sales through Feedbackwaves, and also having the insert card. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was super helpful. It was definitely something that helped me when I learned about it. And if you guys ever have questions, go ahead, leave it in the comments below. And if you haven't already, join my Facebook, my free private support group, where we talk about Amazon. We support everyone's goals on there, and we share our progress as well. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. And of course, go make that money. Peace.